Welcome to Swaragatamam Village YouTube channel. Today concept TALLY ERP 9, direct expenses, ledgers and groups. Ledger group 1. Capital AKHIL, capital AC. 2. Opening stock, stock in hand. 3. Purchases, purchases AC. 4. Sales, sales AC. 5. Purchases return, purchases AC. 6. Sales, sales AC. 7. Wages, direct expenses. 8. Carriage and ward, direct expenses. 9. Excise duties, direct expenses. 10. Import duties, direct expenses. 11. Coal and water, direct expenses. 12. Gas and oil, direct expenses. 13. Factory rent, direct expenses. 14. Packing expenses, direct expenses. 15. Electric bill, direct expenses, direct income. 16. Insurance claim received in advance, direct income. 17. Scrap of sales, direct income. Indirect expenses. 18. Salaries paid, indirect expenses. 19. Carriage outward, indirect expenses. 20. Rent paid, indirect expenses. 21. Commission on sales, indirect expenses. 22. Interest paid, indirect expenses. 23. Insurance paid, indirect expenses. 24. Telephone charges paid, indirect expenses. 25. Current bill paid, indirect expenses. 26. Maintenance charges, indirect expenses. 27. Petty expenses, indirect expenses. 28. Bank charges, indirect expenses. 29. D charges, indirect expenses. 30. Go down rent, indirect expenses. 31. Damages, indirect expenses. 32. Printing and stationery, indirect expenses. 33. Other expenses, indirect expenses. 34. Establishment expenses, indirect expenses. 35. Depreciation, indirect expenses. 36. Discount allowed, indirect expenses. 37. Loss of machinery, indirect expenses. 38. Interest on capital, indirect expenses. 39. Current bill paid, indirect expenses. 40. Office admission expense, indirect expenses. 41. Bad debts, indirect expenses. 42. Trading expenses, indirect expenses. 43. Establishment expenses, indirect expenses. Indirect income. 44. Commission received, indirect income. 45. Rent received, indirect income. 46. Discount received, indirect income. 47. Bad debts recovered, indirect income. 48. Admission received, indirect income. 49. Services charges received, indirect income. 50. Interest on drawing, indirect income. 51. Interest on investment, indirect income. Current assets. 52. Cash in hand, current assets. 53. Cash at bank, bank AC. 54. Prepaid expenses, current assets. 55. Bills receivable, current assets. 56. Sundry debtors, fixed assets. 57. Machinery, fixed assets. 58. Furniture, fixed assets. 59. Land and building, fixed assets. 60. Goodwill, fixed assets. 61. Plant, fixed assets. 62. Copyrights, fixed assets. 63. Typewriters, fixed assets. 64. Computer, fixed assets. 65. Motor van, fixed assets. 66. Motor car, fixed assets. 67. Office equipment, fixed assets. 68. Patent, fixed assets. 69. Investment AC. Current liabilities. 70. Bills payable, current liabilities. 71. Outstanding expenses, current liabilities. 72. Bank overdraft, Bank OD, overdraft. 73. Income received in advance, current liabilities. 74. Sundry creditors, long-term liabilities. 75. Capital AC. 76. Drawings, capital AC. 77. Shares, capital AC. 78. Bonds, capital AC. 79. Debentures, capital AC. 80. Loans from ICICI Bank, secured loan. 81. Loan from person, Raja, unsecured loan. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Swaragatamam Village YouTube channel.